say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. She know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on lashes. So if you're having trouble, sis, don't worry. I'm about to come and save the day. But let me just say, ooh, bars, hold up. That was heat. Okay, anyways, if you hear the weather in the background, it's because the thunder wants to step whenever I'm trying to record. So we're just going to have to ignore that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm not finna hold y'all. So, oh snap, I thought something was gonna fall. Yeah, so this is awkward because you guys are like really close to me and you're seeing all of my imperfections right now. You're going to need some lashes, some lash glue, and a good mascara. So before we even start touching the lashes, the first thing you want to do is just apply some mascara. And I'm gonna have to look to my side and in my mirror because I'm not trying to poke myself in the eye. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it isn't the full thing. My best friend got it for me for my birthday and it works pretty good. Really, you're just putting the mascara on so that your regular lashes kind of blend in with the lashes that you're putting on. But if you put on really dramatic ones, then obviously they're not gonna blend that well. This eye's eyelashes are shorter than this eye, so it's really annoying, but it's cool. I also forgot to mention that you're gonna need some scissors because you need to cut these to your eye size. You don't want your lashes going all the way into the corner of your eyes because then it just doesn't look that good. And I keep seeing girls do that and it's not cute. It's really not. But anyways, we're using the dramatic ones and these are really long. Like I already know they're not gonna fit, so I know I'm gonna have to trim them. And you want to be gentle, but I'm not always gentle. These are for this eye, and I can tell because you guys aren't gonna be able to see it, but this right here is shorter than the rest. That's how I know that it goes to this eye, and it's vice versa. So you just want to measure it right where your eyelashes are, and it's some type of glue or adhesive on them that sticks them to the box, so you can kind of use that to stick it on just as like a test. But overall you need to cut it probably from like right here in your eye to the corner of your eye. And for me, I'm probably gonna end up maybe chopping off this one bunch of like eyelashes or eyelash hairs, or two actually. This is the eyelash that goes to my left eye. So now these are my two lashes. Then you want to take a Q-tip and your lash glue, and this is the Lash Grip by Ardell. It works well. I mean, I haven't tried any other lash glue to tell you guys. Put like a glob on a Q-tip so I have enough. Okay. Then you line it on your lashes. Don't make it too thick, but don't make it too thin. And really make sure you get your ends because that's what really matters. And sometimes I end up getting hair on the actual lashes and I just clean it up with the other end of the Q-tip. You should blow on it, just make it dry faster, but some people use tweezers. I don't do all of that. Hope you guys are seeing this. Go from both sides and make sure this is on the end of your eye. Attach the end in the beginning of the lash first and then go in. After you attach the beginning and the end of the lash, it's easier to go in and fix the middle. Beginning and end is what's really mattering though. Oh, I need a mirror because I can't even see. Now, I could have made it a little bit longer, but I didn't because, like I said, I don't like my lashes being that dramatic. Because people have them all the way in here, and that's just too much for me, sis. It's too much for me. But you want to press your finger down, and sometimes you have to go back in and apply more glue. All of that good stuff. Y'all, usually I use 2 fingers when I'm applying, or 2 hands when I'm applying lashes, but because I had to hold up my iPhone so I can actually see, so I don't have y'all looking crazy, I had to use 1. Make it look like this lashes. Yeah, so basically this is the result. What I was trying to tell y'all, because it's hard for me to focus and try to tell y'all what to do, is that you should apply the inside and the outside first, and then after you have those in, you go in and put down the middle. That's the best way to do it for me. That's how I've gotten my lashes so close to my lash line. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me videos you guys want to see. And yeah, also I got these lashes from AliExpress. They were like $5. Both of these together were like $5, and it comes with like 7 pairs. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.